Oh, as hard as is me. I am your local traumatized toaster, and today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for your pasty AF people out there, like myself. The people who can never find the foundation they want at any possible store and have to resort to weird European brands to find the shade they need. Common struggles. Alright, we're gonna get right into this. So, as everyone would know, since I assume the people who are watching this have seen a makeup tutorial before, we start off with a clean face. This is the cleanest we're gonna get so far. So, you go wash your face. If you've not done that now, go fucking do that now. Go wash your face. And then, we are going to prime. No, joking. We're actually gonna moisturize. Because even if you have oily skin, like me, still need to moisturize. It's important. Okay. So, I'm gonna use two. One's supposed to be a serum, one's a gel cream. So if you got oily skin like me or combination skin, it's important to use nothing that has oil in it. So this is all water-based. Pretty much anything that says hydro or hydra, hail, then you're gonna want to go with that because it shouldn't contain oil and it'll keep your face hydrated, meaning you'll produce less oils in your face, so you won't be as oily. So hydration without contributing to the oiliness. It's a win-win. Now, because I'm inside and I have no intention of leaving because I am a hermit, I would normally go in with a sunscreen first. No, that's a fucking lie. You do sunscreen after. That's what you do. Sunscreen after. Alright, so we're gonna hydrate first. So we're gonna get out as much as you think you need for your face, depending on how big your face is. I think mine's average size. I think. I don't know. My face is like a block. Your average Lego brick. So I'm gonna use that much of this shit. So we're gonna hydrate. It's just like, I don't know, pat or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna rub. And then I'm gonna use a serum. So I'm gonna go 1, 2. Then I'm gonna rub that shit in too. And then our face is all hydrated. No. So I'm not gonna go in with sunscreen right now because I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna stay here where I belong. So then, all right then, we're gonna fan. Just to dry the face. All right. Now we gonna prime. And then we're gonna add that to the face. And we gonna prime. Woo! I'm gonna do a facial spray. It's a hydrating antioxidant spray. Oh, fucking cat hair all over my face. So I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in 41 neutral. And we're gonna put some foundation on the back of my hand. And then we're gonna put it over the face. It's pale as shit. Looking like the Joker. Alright. Okay. I think that's all of it. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with some powder. So I'm gonna take my wet beauty blender and put it under the eyes. And then do the same. And it just sets it quite nicely. And then we're gonna take the finishing powder and then we're gonna pick up some of the product on there. That's all fucking a lot of powder, but we're just gonna dab it in a bit of places. So now I'm gonna go in and do my brows. So first I'm gonna comb through my brows, and then I'm gonna go in and we're gonna start with the midsection and the arch first. Gonna line that up. And as you need to, go in with the brush. So that's that part of the brow done. And then I'm just gonna go and do some light upper strokes. Very lightly, and I'm gonna make it smaller as going in. So I'm gonna extend my brow inwards. Just a bit. And then we have a brow. I'm just gonna do the other one off camera. I didn't do as bad a job as I thought. Okay, and the brows are done. I am gonna do a little bit of eye work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my blush palette, and I'm going to get just a small little buffer brush, crease blush, there we go, something like that. And I'm just gonna take this shade here, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit in the crease. And then I'm gonna do a little bit on the underneath as well. So I'm gonna use a contour shade from the Nude by Nature contour palette, just to add some natural dimension. Just to give like a little bit of dimension to my eyelids. And then again to the other side. And then to the underneath as well. Okay, so I'm going to use the Masquerade palette. I'm going to use a little bit of Giza, and then on the other side. So I'm going to get some on the inner corner. Okay, so then we have the eyes. That be done. So we're going to do blush now on the face. So first I'm going to do the tip of my nose. And then I'm going to do a little bit on just the top bridge of my nose there. So then I'm going to do it there on the apples of my cheeks. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Micro Tattoo Brow Artist pen in Blonde, and I'm just going to do some faux freckles on the bridge of my nose and all the way over to my cheeks. Who doesn't love freckles? So freckles are on. Perfection. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of face powder of the translucent kind, and on my damp sponge I'm going to put it over the top of the areas that not only did I apply blush to, but also have the freckles. And then now we're gonna get lashes sorted, are these ones. I'm going to brush away the powder, and then I am going to put on some mascara. Okay, so now I've got mascara on, and I think this eyeliner pen is dead. So, backup plan. Alright, backup plan, gonna go on with my liquid liner, and just gonna draw like a little connecting line. And then I'll also do it on the outer corner, just so it blends. Okay, so I've got it on the inner and the outer corner, and it'll blend that way. I'm not gonna do it in the middle because the way that I put on my lashes, I make sure it is blended immensely, and I'll show you my trick afterwards. So I'm gonna get my tweezers, and then I'm gonna start by taking one of the lashes, and then we're gonna remember which one this is for. Right, this is for this eye. I'm gonna put it on the roots, and then we're gonna curve it inwards to try and connect it. And I'm gonna take the tweezers, I'm going to press them together. I'm going to take the inner part, of the lash, and you might need to like bend it inwards a little bit just to curve it to your eye shape. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze that over the top to make sure that your lashes are incredibly blended with your natural lash line. And if you did do like a full line over the top, doing this would fuck up your line. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't. But you're just gonna take your lid and then the bottom, your thumb underneath the lash line and your index finger on the top, and you're just gonna squeeze your lid over the top while the glue is ever so slightly sticky. Okay, and then you're gonna leave that to dry. See the fucking difference that lashes make? And I'm gonna take the other lash, we're gonna do the exact same thing. And then we're just gonna squeeze it like we did with the other one. Okay, so now you have lashes on. Holy fucking shit. Sexy as fuck. And so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss. And so that's that. And so after setting spray, this is the final look. Okay, and I'm gonna do the bottom lashes and that's it. And there we go. This is the complete look. Da-da-da. So, there's the complete look, which I guess in a sense is the makeup look for pale as fuck women. I hope you guys like that. This is my first video from your local Traumatized toaster. I hope you guys like this, and I hope in the future I can put out more videos for pale makeup for women. And maybe even gaming videos, because I'd love to do a best of both worlds kind of thing where I do makeup videos and gaming. I would love that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.